story is, don't risk injury. Don't take a chance on getting cut. Table saws are completely unforgiving if you mess up. It takes about 10 minutes to make a push stick. It took about 10 minutes to make this one. You can make them in any design that you want and use them. They work great. If you like this content, we encourage you to give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, we'd like for you to subscribe. We'll have more stuff coming in the future. Thanks for watching.